You may think that the majority of YouTubers make their money from ad revenue, but the shocking truth is, affiliate marketing is a goldmine often overlooked. Welcome to the uncharted territory of affiliate marketing on YouTube. While the glitz and glam of ad revenue may be tempting, there lies a hidden treasure trove in the form of affiliate marketing. Surprisingly, there are YouTubers out there who rake in more cash through affiliate marketing than they do from traditional advertising. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Picture this. You're a YouTuber who loves tech. You regularly post reviews and tutorials on the latest gadgets. Now imagine if you could earn a commission every time one of your viewers purchases a product you've recommended. That, in essence, is affiliate marketing. But hold on, it's not as easy as sharing a link and watching the money roll in. There are unique challenges that YouTubers face when dabbling in affiliate marketing. It requires a strategic approach, a keen understanding of your audience, and most importantly, authenticity. In a world where viewers are increasingly wary of sponsored content, authenticity is key. YouTubers who are transparent about their affiliate partnerships and promote products they genuinely believe in tend to have more success in this arena. And while the road to affiliate marketing success may seem daunting, there are strategies and tactics that can help. By effectively promoting affiliate products on your channel and employing lesser-known methods, you can maximize your earnings. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll delve into these strategies and tactics in the later part of this video. For now, let's marinate in this revelation. Affiliate marketing on YouTube is a largely untapped gold mine. Yes, it's true. Affiliate marketing on YouTube can bring in substantial income, often more than traditional advertising. So whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or someone just starting out, it's time to give affiliate marketing the attention it deserves. The potential for earnings is enormous, and the opportunity is right at your fingertips. But like any gold mine, digging for riches isn't always easy. Affiliate marketing comes with its own set of challenges. The first hurdle many YouTubers face is finding the right products to promote. Not every product will be a good fit for your channel. You need to find products that align with your content and resonate with your audience. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, and it can take a lot of research and trial and error. Next, building an audience is a challenge in itself. You could have the best product in the world, but if no one is watching your videos, your affiliate marketing efforts will fall flat. Growing an audience takes time and consistent effort. You'll need to produce high-quality content regularly, engage with your viewers, and continuously work on your SEO to increase your visibility. Maintaining trust and authenticity with your audience is another important aspect. If viewers feel like you're only promoting products to make money, they may start to distrust you. You need to be genuine in your reviews and recommendations. Only promote products you truly believe in and would use yourself. Transparency is key. If you're promoting a product as an affiliate, let your viewers know. They'll appreciate your honesty. Finally, the ever-changing YouTube algorithms can also pose a challenge. What works today may not work tomorrow. You'll need to stay on top of the changes and continuously adapt your strategies. And let's not forget about the competition. With so many YouTubers vying for attention, standing out from the crowd can be tough. You'll need to find a unique selling proposition for your channel, something that sets you apart from the rest. Remember, affiliate marketing on YouTube is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's not about making a quick buck, but building a sustainable income stream. It requires a strategic approach, a lot of patience, and consistent hard work. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires strategy, patience, and a lot of hard work. So, how do you navigate these challenges and tap into the potential of affiliate marketing on YouTube? Well, let's dive in. First and foremost, it's crucial to choose the right products. This means selecting items that are relevant to your content and your audience. If your channel is about tech, it wouldn't make sense to promote gardening tools, would it? Keep your audience in mind and aim for products that would genuinely interest them. Now let's talk about the content itself. It's not enough to just mention a product and hope for the best. You need to create engaging content that seamlessly integrates your product promotion. Think of it as storytelling. Show your viewers how the product fits into a broader narrative. Make them curious, make them care. But remember, authenticity is key. Your audience can tell if you're promoting a product just for the sake of making a quick buck. Be honest about the pros and cons of the product. Your viewers will appreciate your honesty, and it'll help build trust, which is essential for successful affiliate marketing. Next up, calls to action. You need to encourage your viewers to take the next step, whether that's clicking on an affiliate link or purchasing a product. But here's the catch. Your call to action needs to be compelling. It's not just about telling your viewers to click the link below. You need to give them a reason to do so. Maybe it's a special discount, or perhaps it's the chance to learn more about a product they're interested in. Whatever it is, make it enticing. Lastly, don't forget to track your success. Use analytics to see which strategies are working and which ones need tweaking. This will allow you to optimize your efforts and maximize your affiliate marketing earnings. With the right strategies in place, you can turn these challenges into opportunities. Remember, affiliate marketing on YouTube isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, patience, and a dash of creativity. But with these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to making the most of this lucrative opportunity. But there's more to the story. Successful YouTubers have a few secret tactics up their sleeves. What sets the achievers apart from the dreamers in the world of YouTube affiliate marketing? It's not just about promoting products or having a massive subscriber base. The real game changers are those hidden strategies that successful YouTubers use to maximize their affiliate earnings. First off, they leverage the power of search engine optimization, or SEO. This doesn't just apply to websites. It's equally crucial for YouTube content. By using the right keywords in their video titles, descriptions, and tags, they ensure their content reaches the right audience. This targeted approach increases the likelihood of viewers clicking on affiliate links and making a purchase. Next, they utilize analytics. YouTube's built-in analytics tools provide a wealth of information about viewer behavior. Successful YouTubers scrutinize this data to understand what works and what doesn't. They learn about their audience's preferences, the best times to post videos, and which types of content drive the most engagement. With this information in hand, they can tailor their content and affiliate marketing strategies to maximize their earnings. But perhaps the most crucial secret is creating a strong brand identity. Successful YouTubers know that their channel is more than a collection of videos. It's a brand, and just like any brand, it needs a consistent and compelling identity. They carefully cultivate an image that resonates with their audience, and they ensure that every video, every post, every interaction strengthens that identity. This approach builds trust and loyalty among viewers, who are then more likely to support the channel by purchasing through affiliate links. So there you have it. The real secrets behind the success of top earning YouTubers aren't so secret after all. They're about understanding your audience, maximizing your visibility, and building a brand that people can trust. And while these strategies may take time and effort to implement, the payoff can be significant. These secrets are the key to unlocking the full potential of affiliate marketing on YouTube. But above all, there's one thing that sets successful YouTubers apart: their commitment to consistency and authenticity. You can't expect to strike gold overnight in the world of affiliate marketing. It's a game of patience, persistence, and most importantly, consistency. Regularly posting quality content keeps you in the minds of your viewers and the algorithms of YouTube. It's a surefire way to build a strong and loyal following who are more likely to engage with your affiliate promotions. But let's not forget about authenticity. In a world where every other video is a sales pitch, authenticity is your secret weapon. Be honest, be real, and your audience will appreciate you for it. And authentic promotion is more likely to resonate with your viewers and ultimately lead to higher affiliate earnings. Remember, in affiliate marketing on YouTube, consistency and authenticity aren't just good practices. They are the foundation of your success. Now that you know the secrets of affiliate marketing on YouTube, it's time to take action. There's a whole world of potential earnings waiting for you, and all you have to do is reach out and grab it. But to be successful, you need to be equipped with the right knowledge and tools. That's where the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course comes into play. This course covers everything you need to know about operating a successful YouTube channel, even a faceless one, just like this. It's jam-packed with insights and actionable advice that you won't find anywhere else. And the best part, you can check it out for free. Yes, you heard that right. There's even a free webinar that's designed to answer all your burning questions. So, subscribe to the channel, check out the course, and start your journey to YouTube success. Remember, the world of affiliate marketing is waiting for you.